I've been debating over a lot of tires. The best time, I was thinking S1 Evo 3 by Hankook and PS4 by Michelin and also PS4S. Adrenaline 003. Check this out. I got the permission from the owner to take a quick video clip of this car over here for Rexton. And as you can see, this car is brand new, but is modifying the car. Coilovers, bigger spring, the stabilizer, 4 steps. It's clear with legal issues, no problem whatsoever. Brand new tire, look at that. Definitely wheels and tires for the off-road. The truck is off the lift. Alright, I got here. I parked over there. This is what it looks like overall. Probably a lot of people have come in and they left already, I bet. So a lot of cars. A lot of cars. The E92 M3, what Low is all about. Amazing Subi, as well as Morning, and also the legendary GTRs. And we've seen this one before at the Cars and Coffee at Gangneung, right? But doesn't hurt to see again. Beautiful as it's always been. I really want to get this Recaro RSGK2, the silver one. How's it going?
Well, it's gonna be 2 more months, man.
Probably Rocket Bunny inspired. As far as I know, there is no Rocket Bunny kit for Avante, so it's flush. Don't know if it's hella flush, but it's flush for sure. I didn't get a hold of the Stinger, huh? It looks like it's the body kit that we've seen at the auto show, and it is. It says right over here, 8 row. Look at the offset, hella flush.